Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop Amazon email notifications. If you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, first thing we're going to want to do is come across and log into our Amazon account. And then once you're logged in, if you actually come and hover over your name at the top right hand of the page, and then you want to come down and click onto your account. What's going to happen, you're going to get a page come up which looks like this. And if you actually scroll down slightly, there's a section here which is called Email Alerts, Messages, Ads and Cookies. From here, what you want to do is click onto Communication Preferences. And then from here, you can actually change how Amazon communicates with you. So you can also use this if you're getting SMS notifications, text messages, or direct mail. Anything like that you want to turn off, you can actually do through this. But to find the email, what you want to do is come right down to the bottom. And you'll see it says Email Preferences. So you've actually got general settings, which is how the email is currently being sent. And you can choose obviously HTML, which is text and images, or you can have it sent in plain text. But to actually cancel emails, what you want to do is click onto the bottom one, which says promotional emails. And then what you can do is actually choose, if you don't want to completely cancel your emails, say for example, you still wanted emails about Prime Video or like a certain category, like music or maybe Amazon Prime or Music Unlimited, you can actually go through and tick the departments that you'd like to receive emails from. But if you do want to cancel completely, all you need to do is just scroll down and you'll see there's a little box you can tick here which says do not send me any marketing email for now. Once you've ticked that box, all you want to do is come down and click the yellow update button down here. And you'll see it's going to come up with a confirmation saying your settings have been saved with a tick. And that's basically how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.